how to use a minimalist approach in marketing your business. And look, I get it. There are a lot of things that you need to do when you're trying to promote and market and grow a business. And there are many lines that need to cross in order for that to happen. But I'm here to tell you that you can take a minimalist approach in marketing your business and you can simplify things, which is going to open up an entire new world of possibilities for you as you look to get more clients into your business and grow your business. For those of you who don't know me, it's Prouty. For the last 22 years, I have had thousands of paying clients who I've helped grow their businesses because these are people who know they can impact their market and they want to get paid doing something they love. So I help them do that, but not in a way like you might think. And if you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notifications, and I'll send you messages every single time I create new content like this. So some of the ways that you can embrace a minimalist mindset or a minimalist strategy when you're marketing your business include, first, scrutinizing and minimizing the number of platforms that you're marketing on at first. It can be very overwhelming trying to market yourself on all of the social platforms: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Lemonade. They're all out there and they're all competing for your attention. But truly, when you're first starting out, or if you're just starting a new marketing strategy, you really only need to be on one or two of these platforms. There are 3 billion people on Facebook alone. I'm quite sure your prospects are there. If not, then LinkedIn would be a logical choice for you. So picking just a few core platforms to test your marketing message and to start getting clients is going to be essential, and it's going to save you a tremendous amount of time. Now, once you've been able to do that, replicate your efforts to the other platforms. But until you're really good at marketing on just one platform, don't spread yourself too thin and water that message down across all of the platforms. The next thing that I will encourage you to do is be very clear and concise in your message. When you can go forward with clarity and with brevity and you can be very concise, you're taking that minimalist approach of less is more. And while I would suggest posting content every single day to your social platforms, let's make sure that that content is incredibly clear and incredibly concise so that when people are consuming it, they don't feel like they're wasting a lot of time. The third strategy that I'll share with you that's a very minimalist approach is focusing on quality over quantity, but again, at first. So when you're marketing yourself on the socials, create quality content. Create content that educates, that demonstrates your expertise, your authority, that helps people understand that you are trustworthy and has them wanting to work with you. That's high quality content. And you do that as opposed to just blasting out tons of content that's meaningless, and you know the kind of content that I'm talking about. It just doesn't do anything to grow your business. So focus on quality over quantity, but then over time, when you get in the habit of creating high quality content, turn up the quantity and really put yourself out there, because it takes a lot of time for people to see you and realize that you're the sole source for the solution that they're seeking. And by the way, if you're looking for a really cool plan for marketing yourself on social media, I created this link right here for you. It's proutyclass.com. It's a free on-demand workshop where you're going to learn a ton about how to market yourself on social media. It's a step-by-step strategy. It's on demand. You can go there right now and start watching instantly. So just go to proutyclass.com. Prouty is my last name. Class is what you're taking. And .com keeps me on the internet. If I had to give you one tip, it would be to scrutinize very carefully the content that you're putting out. Seek to answer the questions that your perfect prospect has and create content that answers those questions. Instead of putting all the fluff, filler content of pictures of you doing who knows what that your prospects really don't care about, seek to give them a transformation in your content. You'll have to create less content to get more clients simply by doing that. And while everything that I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need right now, which is why I'm going to put a link to another video here for you so that you can check that out right now. And of course, click on my face, subscribe to my channel, get alerts when I create new content like this.